a mortgage loan originator, it's always been most important for me to be able to take great care of the realtors that refer me business and the customers they serve. So when I opened Integrity Home Mortgage in 2005, the idea was to build a for-the-trade mortgage company. It's been very exciting to take this model into the various communities throughout our territory, find like-minded mortgage professionals that have that mindset, and to be able to help them to take their business to another level. We do that in several ways. We have a very efficient operations staff that helps us serve our customers at a very high level. All of the originators in the Integrity Home Mortgage Corporation family have direct access to me. And I'm still boots on the ground originating loans, so my knowledge of the current mortgage process and what's needed to take care of our customers and the real estate professionals is very relevant, and as the market changes, I'm able to keep up with things. We're a small family company with the power of a big bank, and it's never been important to grow this to be the biggest mortgage company. Our number one focus is to be the best.
In 2001, Adam Huddleston started his recruiting attempts with me. I was affiliated with another mortgage lending institution at that time, and he succeeded by 2002, but we were with another mortgage corporation. So he was my branch manager. And in 2005, he came to me one day and said, "I'm starting my own company. Want to come?" And without any hesitation, I said, "Sure." I didn't have a clue about where we were going, who was financing this gig, what were we going to be offering, not a clue. A total risk. And here's the deal, Adam took the risk for all of us. Us early birds in the game with the formation of Integrity Home Mortgage Corporation took the risk. We're experiencing the rewards now. Why is that, you know? I mean, I always supported Adam's vision, and like any of us who've been in this industry long enough, we see what works, what doesn't work. But many times we're so powerless because we have no authority to make corporate changes, culture changes that we know would benefit the customer, including the real estate community that we serve and who's been so loyal to us. So Adam took that and was able to create a culture of lending that worked. And I don't think we can be compared to anybody else in our industry. And I'm just so thrilled to say that I'm still here. I support his vision, he supports ours. And we are all about consistency, but we're all about change if it's for the good for everyone. And I'm just very proud to say I've gotten to watch Integrity Home Mortgage grow up. Darren, how did you land with us?
Well, thank you for taking that risk, because it has been a great reward for me. I met Adam a little over 5 years ago, and I made the leap of faith. You know, it always is difficult and a little scary when you're getting ready to make that change in the business. And I am proud to say that in my 5 years here, I've been able to grow and have production grow year over year, which has been excellent. And I attribute that to Adam. You know, it's his level of support, his commitment to us, and his background as a loan originator. You know, here's someone that's been in the trenches as a loan officer, so he knows what we deal with on a day-to-day basis. He's able to walk the talk, basically, and he's always been very supportive and always has our back, and I appreciate, you know, having worked for a guy like that. I mean, he's always been there when everyone says, you know, he's a man that does exactly what he says and follows up on it. I feel like that's the common denominator and the reason why we're all here.
Well said, Darren.
When I first joined the team here at Integrity, it was with the understanding that communication between sales and operation is key. We developed a way to do just that. By making sure our operations staff had all the right resources, time, and flexibility, we get the job done. We support each other. Our senior management team, including myself, is always readily available to jump in when needed.
And that's the true definition of teamwork.
Hey Merle, what have you got?
Good, how are you? Good.
One of the things that has rung true with Adam being in the trenches and knowing where we come from is the way that he has built staff to be a support and be consumer-centric. And this is something that feels different from any other mortgage company that I've been at, where the relationship we have with our staff and the way that we treat each other is a level of communication that I don't remember seeing anywhere else. So when we submit that file and we're working to care for the client, working through approvals, appraisals, getting it clear to close, I remember other large corporations where you feel like an island. You submit the file and you're hoping that in real time you'll get responses. You have questions, you're looking for an email back. You reach somebody, you're hoping for more than a voicemail. doesn't feel that way here. It feels like the team continues through the finish line. And I never feel like I'm doing it on my own. I feel like our operations staff, our underwriters, our closers, everyone together works with us to get to the finish line and care for the client. And as normal as that sounds, it seems that that is not the norm in the mortgage industry. And so it's a reason why I've been just as happy today as I have been over the last 11 years. And it's been a good start. You know, we can say, Donna, we can say we've had a good start and we can't wait to see where we go tomorrow.
I absolutely agree with you. Teamwork is the core, I believe, of our company. We can reach out to underwriters, to processors. I think they are comfortable in reaching out to us. I think at prior companies, some of the companies that we've all experienced before, it was a we versus they, and here it's an us. We all do work as a team, and you talked about Adam. To me, it's incredible that we can reach out to the president of our company. I've never had that ability anywhere else, that lack of control that you talked about. Here we can call Adam. He is genuine. He is vested in us. Here we are all very, very, very much concerned about the success of the company, and the company is very, very much concerned about the success of us as individuals, not only professionally, but personally. We talk about family, and we truly are family here. We care about each other. I know one thing that Adam has expressed to me over and over and over is balance. He gives us every tool to be as successful as we want to be. There's no pressure. You can be as successful as you want to, but he is there providing you with all of those tools, and in the same right, trying to have balance in your life. And that's probably one of the most important things to me. I really appreciate it.
People ask me all the time why I work for Integrity. It starts at the top at Integrity. Our boss, Adam Huddleston, supports you through the whole process. Work, personally, he's there for you. He also is an originator, so you can lean on him for originating questions if you need it. We have the best operations staff in the business. Processors, underwriters, and closers help you through the whole process. Products, best in the industry. Rates, best on the market. Loan officers here are very unique. The reason I say that is we lean on each other all the time. We all have done different things that we help each other out with. For the last decade, I've been at Integrity Home Mortgage for those reasons. Again, people ask me all the time why Integrity. It's very simple.
We close loans.
We close loans.
We close loans.
We close loans on time and as promised. Byron Reed with Integrity, how you doing today? Cannot wait to help you guys out.
We close your loans on time and as you've promised. Join the team with Integrity.